Alright, so I just got this in from FC Pure Euro. As you can see, it has not been opened. Let's see what arrived. We got this and this. God dang. We got them tie rods for left and right. The clips for my side skirts. I forgot about that. Bro, what the fuck? Okay, I got this, but I don't remember fucking ordering that. Got an oil filter, which I don't remember ordering that either. And let's see what's in these red boxes. The boots and the clamps for the steering rack. So that's what came in there. I also got this quick release a while ago. You can see it's already open. Oh shit. This is what it comes with. I got nothing to hold my phone, so I gotta do this shit with one hand. I got this greenish looking ass color. I don't know if you can really tell. Comes with the, and then of course I needed to get the adapter, whatever. I got this on Amazon. It's like half the price for NRG. It's pretty much the same chingadera. There's that. This is the brand. That's pretty much what it is. You just type in the part number, SRK E46H. It was only like 50 bucks. Feels amazing quality. So that would just go like that. And just release this bitch. And then the steering wheel I got. Oops. This is the quick release. I got it at the Long Beach event, the drift event in Long Beach for like 90 bucks. It's pretty nice. I actually got two of them. I got, this one came in a box. I got this one. I like the colors, you know, that Empower. This one sits a little bit higher. As you can see right there. But yeah, this is what I'll be installing. But I'll be replacing the steering wheel for the quick release now. So you go ahead and turn off or unplug the battery if you want. I don't really turn it off. There's these little holes back here on this steering wheel, this type of steering wheel, that you gotta, I just use a screwdriver or a flathead, I mean, little pocket screwdriver. I mean, there's a spring that you gotta push. So once I take it off, I can show you guys. And then same with the other side, right there. I wanna push. God. All right, so steering. Damn it. Oh, there we go. So then just to plug all this shit. Wait, there we go. And then there's the ground. And then there's another one, probably T15 or something. So it's these springs that you gotta push to release the airbag. So once you put it in the hole on the side, as you can see, you just push it and it releases from these latches. And then you do the same with the other side. That's pretty much it. So get this wiring out the way, remove this bolt. I think it's a 16 or a 17, not too sure. So once you got that done, it's a 16 and a T10. You just remove it, put it to the side, and then you grab your adapter. Insert. You just line it up. And there you go. Make sure your steering wheel straight. And just tighten it down. Put the hub on there. So once you got that on there, make sure it's all tightened down. You don't want that shit coming off. Then you're fucking hauling ass. And you're gonna grab your steering wheel and this as well. Or you can put this on actually. Ooh, that's a nice sound. And then just put on the steering wheel, you should be good. Like that. Alright, so now everything's tightened down, I guess. There's nothing else to it. No horn right now, so I'll have to survive without it. But it's simple. You just push this down and then bring this way. Let me get a fucking good angle. I can't. Apparently I can't do it with one hand. My dirty ass hand. There we go. So that's that. Just make sure it's all tightened down. Whoa. Where did we get? Yeah. So that's that. I'm gonna see how it feels on a quick test drive. Hopefully it's not bad. I don't know where my keys are, but whatever. Alright, so somehow this fucking steering wheel isn't even fucking straight after I just did an align. I'm gonna have to realign this bitch. But I mean, it feels alright. Whatever. That's it. Alright, so I fucking fixed my steering wheel. I just didn't put the adapter on correctly. I put it on sideways a bit. But I fixed it. Now the steering wheel's straight. So yeah, that's all. Pretty simple, I guess.